Mummy, please can I have some oranges?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Did somebody say oranges? Can I have some too?
Yes, of course. Do you need help with the peeling, or will you be okay?
No, we can do it ourselves.
Okay, go on then.
Oh, I forgot. Can we have some plates, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. So this one is for the peels. This is for me, and these are for your oranges. Just get peeling. Thank you. Oh, we need to get the masala. Oh yeah. What? It's empty. Oh no.
Shall we make it then?
Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah.
Shall we make it?
Yeah. Do you want to help me?
Yep, we'll help you.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay
get
then.
started making it.
Okay. Come on then. Get the ingredients. Go to the cupboard, the spice cupboard, and open the second drawer. Yeah. And we need to get black pepper.
Got it?
Yeah. We need to get black cumin.
Got it?
Yeah. And we need to get black salt.
Found it.
Good. Okay, now we need to get white salt, regular salt as well, which is on the top shelf. Yeah. Good girl.
Just put these to the side.
Yeah. And now we need the grinder to grind them all.
Mummy, these can I see on the shelf?
Yeah, sure. Whoa, that's a clever girl. Wow, you're good at it. Can you get the grinder, please?
Sure.
Okay.
Grinder.
Good. We need a spoon as well.
Okay, do we need a teaspoon?
Yeah, teaspoon, please. Well done. Bring it here.
So now we have the black cumin here. So first we need 2 heat balls of black cumin. Now we need 2 spoons of black pepper. Next,
So Aisha's gonna do the salt. So we need 1 spoon of black salt. Aisha, show us the salt. So this is the rock salt. Kala namak. Okay.
1.
And now half spoon of salt.
And now we have everything in there now.
Yeah, now we need to grind it.
Okay, so Mummy has pulled it in, and now we just need to grind it.
Yeah. So you need to align it. You just need to press it, hold it tight and press it.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
You wanna open and see? It's
Yeah.
done.
Let's see. Wow.
Wow, it's all powdery form.
We'll grind it up.
So now, shall we test it if it's fine? Do you want to
Yeah.
try it?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay then. Now try, both of you, and see if it's nice.
You start.
What do you say when you eat?
Bismillah.
Rahman Rahim.
That's amazing. Perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah. Thank you.
It's really good.
And really healthy.
Yeah? Aisha, are you happy? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Good girl. Okay, last 2 now.
Last 2 ones. Bismillah. Should we finish? Now we filled up some more masala in the container so we can have some next time with our oranges. And we also
also made some for Daddy.
Yeah.
So now we're going to take it upstairs and we're going to give it to him because he really likes them. Should we go? Let's take them.
बकर और आयशा तो ऑरेंजेस लेके अपने डैडी के पास चले गए। तब तक मैं आपके साथ एक बात शेयर करती हूँ। ये मसाला एक्चुअली मेरी अम्मी का है, सो इट्स अ नैनोज रेसिपी। और अम्मी हमेशा हमें बचपन में ये मसाला ऑरेंजेस के साथ दिया करती थी। ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, गले वगैरह ख़राब होने से बचाता है, सर्दी से भी बचाता है ऑरेंजेस के साथ, क्योंकि ऑरेंजेस में विटामिन सी होती है और काला ज़ीरा और काली मिर्च जो है वो सर्दी से बचाता है। तो आप ये मसाला ज़रूर बनाकर बच्चों को सर्दियों में दिया करें और ख़ुद भी खाएं, और बुज़ुर्गों के लिए भी बहुत बेहतरीन है। इससे इम्यून सिस्टम भी स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा, जल्दी गले भी नहीं ख़राब होंगे और पेट भी सही रहता है। और बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत ही बेहतर है क्योंकि उनको भूख भी लगती है इससे ज़्यादा। तो ज़रूर ट्राई करें, और इसकी खुशबू भी बड़ी मज़े की है, आपके ऑरेंजेस का मज़ा ही दुबाला हो जाएगा। इंशाल्लाह ट्राई करिएगा और आई होप यू एंजॉय इट, और हमें दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।